Gentlemen, hello. My name is Paul Friedman. I'm the founder of the Marriage Foundation. This is a very good topic. Is it possible to get your wife to fall in love with you again? And at the Marriage Foundation, our approach is very systematized. It's very scientific. I'm not a Western psychologist. I never ask, how does that make you feel? Instead, I go, have you been working on the SO technique? That is, if you take the course for men, which is designed for men like you, whose wives are like drifting far away from you. It didn't just happen, right? You got to get into reality. It's not her fault. It's not your fault. Neither of you knew how to be married. And I didn't know how to be married either. When I started working with my first couple, I had to understand it. And I realized the very first thing is, why do we get married? We get married to be happy. So let's ask you that question. What have you been doing, not just recently, but what have you been doing from day one to make your wife happy? Because it's just the two of you. It's not like she's going to be happy because you're you and she's her. And you got to put honey into the container to make it sweet. And if you put in anything toxic like anger, criticism, there's a host of negative things, it's no longer going to be sweet. So what happened to your wife, she's not in love with you anymore. It's just that all the crap that you have done has inspired her mind, which is based on the drive to survive pretty much, is saying, And you could say, yeah, I pushed her away. You could say that, but it's better to say my behavior has pushed her away. So how do you change it? That's really the question. How do I get my wife to fall back in love with me again, is the question. The answer is you stop doing all the stupid things that push her away, and you start doing all the correct things that draw her in. So you're going to need more than a video. This is not about, fixing a faucet on your sink. This is deep. It's complex. At a minimum, you get one of my books, but I'll be really honest with you. You've come this far to where you believe your wife doesn't love you anymore. You need more than one of my books. Go get the course for men. I don't care if this sounds like an infomercial. It's what's going to work for you. I don't know how more simple I can be. Now I'm going to put a link to the website that we have. By the way, thousands of people every year. We save thousands of marriages. So don't be afraid. We've been around a long time. You have a 3-day free trial. Yeah, it does sound like an infomercial, but I'm sorry about that. And then you have a 90-day guarantee. But if you do it right, it'll work, and that's what's important. Okay? So again, I'm Paul Friedman. I'm founder of the Marriage Foundation. God bless you. I pray for you. I pray for your wife. I pray for your family. Don't give up. Most importantly, don't give up. Now subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Take care.